Hi everyone, this is Ralph from Fragrance Talk PH, and as you can see po sa ating title, ngayon po we will try to compare Louis Vuitton's L'Immensité and Maison Alhambra's Jean Low Immortal. So, close ba sila? Kamusta ba si Immortal as compared po sa OG? And is Jean Low Immortal good on its own? So, yan po yung ating sasagutin ngayon. Stay tuned po! Ayan, so before anything else, syempre we will go muna sa OG. I have decants here of both, no? I have L'Immensité ng Louis Vuitton and I have Jean Low Immortal ng Maison Alhambra. And of course, the OG, this is a 2020 release. Ito po ay creation ni Jack Cavalier, no? Para po sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Jack Cavalier, siya po ang nose behind some of the known na mga designer perfumes like Issey Miyake's L'Odyssée and the Bulgari Aqua series, no, at of course the Bulgari Tiger, no. Siya po ang nose behind some of those great perfumes. And trinay ko po mag-research ano ba meaning ng L'Immensité, no. Apparently L'Immensité means vastness. And the creative idea or the creative inspiration behind the perfume is, imagine daw, this perfume takes you before a vastness, no, before an infinite horizon, no. So it gives you the idea, no, of possibilities, no, of openness, parang mga ganun, no. So anyway, that's the meaning of L'Immensité. And ilalagay natin yung perfume accords, no. Nakalagay po dyan, L'Immensité is aromatic, ambery, aquatic, citrusy, musky. And the perfume notes are, the top notes are grapefruit, ginger, bergamot. Tapos po sa mid, meron pong water notes, sage, rosemary, geranium. And of course, the base notes, merong ambroxan, amber, and labdanum. Lalagay natin lahat yan dito. And the scent profile, basically guys, aquatic, fresh, aromatic, powdery, na musky because of that ambroxan, and may hints ng citrus and florals all the way. No, you would notice, para po sa akin, no, sa experience ko, you would notice developments naman, no. Lalo po halimbawa sa mid papunta sa base, biglang magiging a bit musky, pero generally para sa akin, sa experience ko lang naman po ito, it is linear, no. Almost hindi po nag-change drastically yung kanya pong scent profile. Ayan, no. So yan yung kanyang scent profile. And of course, a question, kamusta naman po si Jean Low's Immortal, no? Jean Low Immortal by Maison Alhambra. Para po sa akin, again, no, this is a subjective experience, no. Of course, maraming factors dyan, no, that you have to put in. Halimbawa, skin chemistry. Pero again, this is my personal experience. Ito po yung napansin ko. Isa po dito, mas harsh si Jean Low Immortal as compared sa OG, no. And iniisip ko kung ano ba, kung saan ba nanggagaling yung harshness na yon. I am suspecting na siguro po si Duke, no, si Jean Low Immortal, siguro mas mas malakas yung use niya ng labdanum. Yung labdanum, guys, no, let me share to you, this is a leathery and ambery note, no. So basically yan po yung kanyang profile, and I can detect that here kay Jean Low Immortal. And ang katanungan kasi, gaano ba sila ka-close, no? Of course, guys, para sa akin, ang hirap po kasi magbigay ng percentage, no? Personally, kasi sometimes, no, when we put percentage, OG versus the clones, no? Parang ano parang you are paano ba? Parang nilalagay mo sa malaking expectation ang mga tao. Pero para sa akin po, no, observations lang yung pwede kong maibigay, no? I would not be placing percentages, no? Anyway, para sa akin, ito pong si Jinlo, you would get the idea. You would get the idea na pag na-sniff mo, o nga, no, parang nga siyang, siguro unang maiisip mo, one of those ay si Lemensité ng Louis Vuitton. Pero para sa akin personally, guys, no, again, subjectively, hindi siya close, no, hindi po siya super close. On its own though, okay siya para sa akin. I think the scent profile of Jinlo Immortal has more character than the OG. Bakit ko po nasabi yun? Kasi po again, no, katulad sabi ko kanina, prominent po yung labdanum note na nadidetect ko dito kay Immortal. Pero si OG kasi all throughout fresh lang yun, no? All throughout it is aquatic, no, again, no, kung may transitions man, soft amber lang, may musky feel siya, pero it comes through as powdery, no. Pero para sa akin, si OG, while of course it smells great, no, it smells masculine, no, the typical na maamoy nyo po sa designer frags. Pero para sa akin, it's bits and pieces of perfume. Halimbawa, it smells a bit like Tiger, a bit like Aqua pour Homme ng Bulgari, and a bit like Aqua Essentiale ng Salvatore Ferragamo. So, I'm not saying na straight up na yun yung kanyang smell, pero siguro bits and pieces of that perfumes para you would get an idea kung ano ba yung scent profile niya. So, you know, basically, para sa akin, no, the verdict, no, basically, as a clone, for me personally, it reminds you of Lemensité, yes, pero I would not say na it is really close. No, lalo if you compare them side by side, you try to observe them ng full wearing, no. I tried full wearing this, no, nung mga nakaraan, puno pa po ito. I tried full wearing this the past days, and yun yung observation ko, no. Pero on its own, guys, no, on its own, it is okay, again, because para sa akin, it gives off more character dahil po doon sa labdanum, no. And para sa akin, yung performance nila, above average sila both, no. Siguro dahil doon sa labdanum use ni Jinlo Immortal, para sa akin mas projecting siya sa as compared po dito kay OG. Of course, mas matagal si OG, pero in terms of projection, mas naamoy ko si Jinlo Immortal. So yun, guys, again, this is a personal, a subjective opinion, no. Iba-iba po ang skin chemistry natin. And yun lang po yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo. I hope somehow this helps you, or a buying guide of sorts siguro, no, ang video na ito, lalo if you are considering Jinlo Immortal. Of course, dahil din sa price point ng Louis Vuitton, that will take you parang 10k ata or 11k, no. So yun, sana po naka-help po ito. And we would like to ask for your support sa Frag Talk PH. Of course, meron po tayong live, no, every Sunday ng 8 PM. And meron po tayong mga sniff session where the team is present. So please like the page, no, please do like, share, and subscribe sa aming pong YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Again, this is Ralph of Frag Talk PH. Ingat po kayo.